Hello.
Hi, Miss. Nice to meet you.
This is John of Art, and we are with Humanities students doing an interview. So your name is?
My name is Bikay, Miss. Okay.
Hello.
Hi, Miss.
So
Thank
thank you
you.
very much, man, for gracing this vlog. You will see this on YouTube. Anna started out in 2013 in answer to the need of artists who are based outside of Bacolod to have an organization and also for representation.
Is there any programs and activities, Miss?
We have various activities like we have sketching sessions. We also provide exhibition spaces, alternative art spaces like some malls or some mga restaurants, sa schools and other places na pwede na mabutangan sa art na exhibitan.
Workshop na sa Miss? Or may ara ka mo, for example, free nga daw tutorial bila misaw or may ara ka mo workshop nga for payment na?
May ara kami workshop that is for free. May ara man kami workshop na paid. So, depende sa na kay ang kwanida nga ginabayaran because we also provide for the materials. Everybody is free to join man.
May mga activities which is mural painting.
Sa may lakson. So, you see a
Ayun
lot
yun,
of
nadagalit,
portraits.
Miss. Ang sa may mga tabok na dangalagyan.
There sa may lakson street. Why portraits? Because mas sketchy ang mga itsura. Daw mabalikid kagid. And kaya mo ng specialty sa mga members, kahilig-hilig mag-portrait. So why not use this strength nila?
Ang ano, mo naging nadaan, Miss, talent mo na nadaan, Miss, or na gano'n ka din, nag-study, or naging patudlok ka na sa iba ng artist, wala na
While I did not have formal training, like studying fine arts, I wanted to, but it was not encouraged. And instead, I studied commerce and law. So, I studied on my own. I was also enrolled in workshops. So, there are some mga workshops to research kag pagpangamigo man sa mga ibang artists. It's a lifelong journey. It's a lifelong learning process.
How kami, for example, mas may interest lang ng mga people, just how sila maka-join sa inyong organization?
Well, the format here is online. So, based on that concept, the posting and sharing, so we formed a group. So, if you want to be a member, wala bayad. That's the thing. So, you just join the group as long as you have this interest, interesado to learn to be an artist and to share also what you know. Kasi you know something that we don't know. And also, kung may mga activities, just active participation. So our mantra there is practice, practice, practice.
Now, ano man sa feeling, Miss, nga may nabuligan ka mo, may na-inspired ka mga iban nga willing, gid bala, Miss, mag-inta, yun. Giporsige, gid sila sa una, sila kabalo, then subong daw nag-became artist na sila.
Oh, yes.
Ano man ang
The feeling is priceless. Hindi it's like having a family. It's like having them as your children. And whenever you see them grow as they persevere sa ilang art, mabala mo gid ang mapisan. It's not only just talent, but also your perseverance ay mo na pagpadayon gid. Just keep on doing what you're doing. You don't have to be really good at first, but start at the level where you are and just keep on doing and then specialize, create your own trademark. You will find your own space. You have a place in art. There you have it, Humanities students. This is Joan of Art saying there is always life and love, especially in art.